UI Pharmaceuticals is a contract development and manufacturing organization that's located here in the College of Pharmacy at the University of Iowa. What we do is help novel and innovative biotech companies develop their drugs, move them from the concept of the bench science to the clinic to test the proof of concept of some very novel medicines to treat unmet medical needs.
Oftentimes people come to us very early on in the process and they may have the concept and know what they want to do, but they don't know how to get there. Our analytical services team is constantly working with our clients to ensure that we're going to get the result that they want while guiding them on the regulations that they need to get there.
The evidence-based research that we do at UI Pharmaceuticals is going to build the strong foundation that helps us enable the product success. The formulation department takes not only the scientific-based approach but also quality by design approach, which is essential for the success of bringing the robust formulations into the market and help the quality of life of patients.
The engineering facilities group at UIP work with different departments in the validation of the equipment and the design reviews and monitoring of the different processes and environment within the production fill line to continue to improve on the product flow and the productivity of the equipment. The new sterile manufacturing facility is a state-of-the-art, fully automated fill line system that provides 6 different vial configurations with VHP sterilization that occurs prior to production.
We're able to be very flexible. We can do anywhere from very small development preclinical batches all the way up to larger batches. The facility offers manufacturing of sterile, injectable, and lyophilized products. We can do both liquid and lyofills, and we typically do batches from 500 up to about 20,000.
The commitment to quality, it's the bedrock to what we do and the foundation for all the products that we make. We do the complete batch record reviews. We do all the secondary checks, visual inspection and inspection label and control, and then final sign-off on the batches before it's released to the client. We also help them with any regulatory issues and questions that come up, in particular for our virtual clients and their early stages that are kind of new to the process.
UI Pharmaceuticals has a very simple but important mission, and that is to improve quality of life. To be able to move a product from a concept into human clinical trials so it can be tested in those trials to meet unmet medical needs is what drives us.
The impact that we make on patients' life, it's not just about the business, it's about making the difference.
We're able to be the starting point for companies that may bring their product to market, and we'll have a hand in that in helping people throughout the world.